Did you know that credit union members save an average of $100 per year compared to bank customers? That's right, folks. This might not seem like a huge amount at first glance, but over time these savings can really add up. Imagine what you could do with an extra $100 each year. Maybe it's a nice dinner out, a few extra groceries, or even a small contribution to your savings account. The possibilities are endless. Choosing a credit union over a traditional bank can put money back in your pocket. Credit unions often offer lower fees, better interest rates on loans, and higher returns on savings accounts. This means more of your hard-earned money stays with you, rather than going to the bank's bottom line. It's a win-win situation for consumers looking to maximize their financial health. In this day and age, every dollar counts. With the rising cost of living, it's more important than ever to make smart financial choices. Whether it's budgeting for groceries, saving for a rainy day, or planning for a big purchase, every little bit helps. Credit unions can be a valuable partner in helping you achieve your financial goals. So why are more people not taking advantage of these community-focused financial institutions? It could be due to a lack of awareness or understanding of what credit unions offer. Many people are simply more familiar with traditional banks and may not realize the benefits of joining a credit union. Education and outreach are key to helping more people discover the advantages of credit unions. Let's dive in and explore the world of credit unions. These institutions are not just about financial transactions. They are about building relationships and supporting communities. Credit unions are often deeply rooted in the communities they serve, offering personalized service and a sense of belonging that big banks can't match. Credit unions offer a refreshing alternative to the often impersonal world of big banks. When you walk into a credit union, you're greeted by people who know your name and understand your needs. This personal touch can make a big difference in your banking experience, making it more pleasant and less stressful. They operate on a simple but powerful principle: people helping people. This philosophy is at the heart of everything they do. Credit unions are member-owned and operated, which means they are focused on serving their members rather than making a profit. This community-oriented approach fosters trust and cooperation, leading to better financial outcomes for everyone involved. When you join a credit union, you become an owner, not just a customer. This ownership gives you a voice in how the credit union is run and ensures that your interests are always a top priority. It's a unique and empowering experience that sets credit unions apart from traditional banks. This ownership structure fosters a sense of community and shared purpose, leading to better rates, lower fees, and a more personalized banking experience. By choosing a credit union, you're not just making a smart financial decision, you're also supporting an institution that values people over profits. So, why not take a closer look at what credit unions have to offer? You might just find that they are the perfect fit for your financial needs. Credit unions are not-for-profit financial cooperatives owned and controlled by their members. Unlike traditional banks, which are driven by the need to generate profits for their shareholders, credit unions operate with a different philosophy. Their primary goal is to serve the financial needs of their members. They provide a wide range of financial services, just like banks, including checking and savings accounts, loans, mortgages, and credit cards. However, the way they deliver these services is often more personalized and community-focused. The key difference lies in their structure and mission. While banks are owned by shareholders who may not even use the bank's services, credit unions are owned by the very people who use their services. This means that every member has a say in how the credit union is run. Credit unions exist to serve their members, not to maximize profits for shareholders. This member-centric approach ensures that the needs and interests of the members are always the top priority. This member-centric approach translates into tangible benefits. Members often enjoy better rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. Profits are returned to members in the form of higher interest rates on savings accounts, which means your money works harder for you. Additionally, members benefit from lower interest rates on loans, making it more affordable to borrow money for things like buying a home or a car. Reduced fees also mean that more of your money stays in your pocket, but the advantages go beyond just dollars and cents. Credit unions are deeply invested in the well-being of their communities. They understand that a thriving community benefits everyone. Credit unions are deeply invested in the well-being of their communities. They often support local businesses, sponsor community events, and provide resources that help the community grow and prosper. They often support local businesses, sponsor community events, and provide financial literacy programs. These initiatives help to build a stronger, more informed community. Financial literacy programs are particularly important as they empower individuals with the knowledge they need to make informed financial decisions. This education can lead to better financial health for individuals and the community as a whole. One common misconception about credit unions is that they are only for certain groups of people. This belief stems from the early days of credit unions when they were often formed around specific employers, industries, or community groups. While it's true that many credit unions were initially formed around specific employers or communities, their mission has always been to serve their members' financial needs. Over time, this mission has evolved and expanded. Most credit unions have broadened their membership requirements, making it easier for a wider range of people to join. This means that today, almost anyone can find a credit union that fits their personal values and financial goals. Today, anyone can join a credit union that aligns with their values and financial needs. Whether you are looking for better interest rates, lower fees, or a more personalized banking experience, credit unions offer a compelling alternative to traditional banks. Another myth is that credit unions lack the convenience and technology of larger banks. Many people assume that because credit unions are smaller, they can't offer the same level of service or technological advancements. This couldn't be further from the truth. Credit unions have made significant investments in technology to ensure they meet the needs of their members. Credit unions have embraced digital banking, offering online and mobile platforms that rival those of any major bank. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly and secure, providing members with the convenience they expect in today's digital age. You can easily manage your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and even apply for loans from the comfort of your home or on the go. In addition to these services, many credit unions offer financial education resources, helping members make informed decisions about their money. This commitment to member education is just one of the many ways credit unions differentiate themselves from traditional banks. Let's talk numbers, folks. One of the most compelling reasons to choose a credit union is the potential for significant financial savings. Credit unions typically offer lower fees on checking accounts, ATM transactions, and overdraft protection. They also tend to have higher interest rates on savings accounts and certificates of deposit, helping your money grow faster. When it comes to loans, credit unions often offer more competitive interest rates on mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans. This can save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Plus, credit unions are often more willing to work with borrowers who may not have perfect credit history, providing second chances and personalized financial solutions. Section 5. Community Champions. Credit unions making a difference. Credit unions are more than just financial institutions, they are pillars of their communities. They are committed to supporting local businesses, sponsoring community events, and promoting financial literacy. By banking with a credit union, you are directly contributing to the well-being of your community. Many credit unions offer financial literacy programs for youth and adults, empowering individuals to make informed financial decisions. They also often partner with local organizations to provide affordable housing, support small businesses, and promote economic development in underserved communities. Section 6. The Power of Ownership. You're more than just a customer. Remember, when you join a credit union, you become an owner, not just a customer. This ownership structure gives you a voice in how the credit union is run. Members elect a board of directors from among their ranks to represent their interests and ensure that the credit union stays true to its mission of serving its members. This democratic governance model ensures that credit unions remain accountable to their members and prioritize their financial well-being above all else. It's a refreshing change from the top-down approach of many traditional banks, where profits often take precedence over people. Section 7. Your financial journey. Take control with credit unions. Your financial journey is just that, yours. Choosing the right financial partner can make all the difference in achieving your goals. Credit unions offer a compelling alternative to traditional banks, with their member-centric approach, competitive rates, lower fees, and commitment to community. Take the time to explore your options and find a credit union that aligns with your values and financial needs. You might be surprised at the positive impact it can have on your wallet and your community. Section 8. Join the conversation, share your story, explore your options. Have you had a positive experience with a credit union? Share your story in the comments below. Let's spread the word about these community-focused financial institutions and empower others to make informed choices about their money. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. There are countless resources available online and in your community to help you on your financial journey. So, take control, explore your options, and discover the credit union advantage.